the biggest blizzards ever. Why? Why is this happening? Why? Why is there snow everywhere? Really? Really? Okay, there's so much snow. We're down to one lane. There's my turn. Okay, there's my turn. There's my turn. Let's just take it slow. Let's just take it slow. Ooh, a little slippery. A little slippery. Okay, okay. Hey, we're good. Okay, snow covering my next turn. Why are there snow blocks, big, giant piles of snow in the middle of the road? Oh, there's someone with a camera. They're amazed by this just as much as I am. And we have a stuck vehicle. Yep, you're in the ditch. Okay, another turn. Careful, careful, careful. And we're good. That only took an hour.